Hi everyone! In ELA today we're going to be going over the sounds that we've learned and also learning a new sound. So let's take a look at the sounds that we know. Alligator, ah, ah, ah. Katina cat, k, k, k. Dee deer, d, d, d. Francie fish, Gordo gorilla, g, g, g. Honey horse, Annie inchworm, eh, eh, eh. Missy mouse, Nigel night owl, Ollie octopus, ah. Sammy snake, s. Timothy tiger, t, t, t. Vincent vampire bat, and Zachary zebra. And today we're going to be meeting a new zoo friend as we read a new book called My Pea Book. And it's by Jane Belk-Monker, illustrated by Linda Hohag. So let's take a listen to our story. My Pea Book. Little Pea had a box. She said, "I will fill my box." Little Pea found a poodle and her puppy. Do you notice that poodle and puppy start with the same sound? They both start with p, p, p. And that's the sound that Little Pea likes. She likes the sound p, p, p. Let's see if we can find more words that start with the sound she likes. P, p, p. In you go, she said. She found a p, p, pig. And her piglets. She put them into her box. What do you notice about p, p, pig and p, p, piglets? Yeah, they both start with the sound that P makes. P, p, p. Then she walked to the p, p, park. She saw a picnic table and a picnic basket. They were under a p, p, peach tree. What do you notice about p, p, picnic and p, p, peach? They start with her favorite sound, p, p, p. Let's have a picnic, she said. Oh, let's take a look at all the things she brought to her picnic. Oh, too fast, YouTube, too fast. She brought peanuts and pickles and a popcorn and a pie. It's a picnic with a whole bunch of things that start with that sound. Super cool. Let's find out what happens next. Little Pea put the animals back into her box after they had a picnic. She put the leftover peanuts, pickles, popcorn, and pie too in her box. Now the box was heavy and it was about to pop. Uh-oh. Little Pea found a pony and a cart. "Please pull us," she said. The pony pulled them right to a porcupine. Little Pea gave him popcorn. She put him into her box. Why would she put the porcupine into her box? Yeah, because it starts with p, p, p. And why do you think she let the pony pull them? Because pony and pull both start with p, p, p. Then she saw a peacock. A peacock. She put the peacock into her box. Suddenly the pony stopped. She saw a panther in the path. What does panther start with? That's right. The pony jumped. The animals fell out of the box. Oh no! The panther pounced on the box. I wonder what the panther wants. The panther ate the peanuts and pickles and popcorn and pie. Oh, the panther wanted to eat all the food that starts with p, p, p. Then a policeman came by. "You have found our pet panther," he said. What does policeman start with? Yeah, p. I wonder what'll happen next. Please help me take him back to the zoo. So all the animals went to the zoo. What a parade. All right, and we'll go back so we can look at all the pictures that start with P. Repeat after me. Piglet. Porcupine.